Hello student, welcome to online class of class 5 English grammar. Today in this video I will tell you about chapter 19, that is question tag. Before this I have sent a video in that I have told you about the question tag. What is a question tag? As you know that a group of word that comes at the end of a sentence and make it question is called a question tag. A question tag is in positive and also in negative. A question tag will always have a same tense as the verb. A subject in the statement match the subject in question tag, and a positive statement takes a negative question tag, whereas a negative statement takes a positive tag. These are the rules of making question tag. Now in this video I will tell you about the exercise of this chapter. So let's see the exercises. First exercise is question number 8, that is choose a correct question tag for each of these sentences. The questions is, you need not sell your bicycle. In this our statement is in negative form, so question tag must be in positive. So the correct option is did you is a correct question tag of this statement. Now in question number 2, she wrote to the editor to complain about the noise pollution. In this also our sentence is in past tense and it is in positive statement, so our tag will be in negative, and it is didn't she is the correct tag of this statement. Now in question number C, we heard a noise in the middle of night. In this sentence our statement is in positive form, so our tag will be in negative, so it is didn't we is a correct tag for this statement. Now let's see question number 4. Number 4 is, you want to buy teacups and saucer. In this the statement is in positive, so our tag is in negative, and it is don't you is a correct tag for this statement. In question number 5, Ananya is the best athlete of our school. In this also our tag is in positive, or statement is in positive, so tag will be in negative, and the correct is isn't she is the correct option. In question number 6, you will not look after children. In this case you will not is a negative statement, so our tag will be in positive, and it is will you is the correct option for this question. In question 7, mother make excellent pudding. In this case our statement is in positive, so the tag will be in negative, and that is doesn't she is the correct option for this question. In question number 8, the fan was making a lot of noise. It is also a positive statement, so the tag will be in negative, and the correct option is wasn't it. In question number 9, you must have seen this film. In this you must have seen this film is a positive statement, so the tag will be in negative, and it is haven't you is the correct option for this question. Now in question number 10, she is sitting in front of our table fan. In this case the statement is in positive, so in this case the statement is in positive, that's why the tag will be in negative, and it is isn't C is the correct option. Now let's see question number B, filling the blanks with the correct tag. We have to make correct tag for all this statement. First let's see the first question. The question is, you invited the neighbors to the party. In this question our question is in past tense and there is no helping verb, so in case where there is no helping verb is given, we have to use do, does or did, as I have I have told you the rules. In the same way, here also there is no helping verb and our sentence is in past tense, so we have to use, here our subject is plural and sentence is in past and also it is in positive form. So our tag will be negative and it is didn't you is a correct tag for this statement. You invited the neighbors to the party, didn't you? And we have to put question mark at the ending of the sentence. In the same way, in question number 2, the whipped cream isn't too sweet. Here isn't is given, so so our tag will be in positive form because statement is already in negative form. So it is it. The correct answer will be is it. Now come to question number 3. We will not keep any pets. Here the sentence is in future tense and it is in negative form. So the tag will be we will we. It is in positive form because sentence is in negative. So the tag will be in positive and it is will we. And there will be question mark at the ending. Now come to question number 4th. The bed is littered with paper. Here the statement is positive, so the tag is in negative. Isn't it is our correct tag. In question number 5, they agree to board their differences. Here there is no helping verb and our main verb is in past form, so the correct tag will be didn't they. That is, correct tag will be didn't they because it is in positive form, so the tag will be in negative. We use did because our sentence is in past tense. Now come to question number 6. In question number 6, Nikhil went scrub diving. In this case, went, it shows the second form, it means past tense and it is a singular sentence and also sentence is in positive form. So the tag will be in negative and since it is did past form, so we use did. It become didn't he. He used for Nikhil. In this way, Nikhil went scrub diving. Didn't he is a correct tag for this sentence. Now come to question number 7. The question number 7 is Sahil drove a car carefully. Here didn't he, because here our verb is in second form. It is the second form of drive. So Sahil drove, it means it is in past tense, simple past tense. So when we change this into tag, it become did because helping verb is not given here. So it is didn't he. Now come to question number 8. She raises her voice against injustice. Here also rises is a simple present tense. She is a singular, so there is no helping verb, so we have to use the word does for singular and not because our statement is positive, so tag will be in negative. Doesn't she is the correct tag for this sentence. Now come to question number 9. The wedding is not in December. Here not is given in the statement, so tag will be positive. Is it is a correct tag. Now the last question, she is wearing her mother's dress. In this case our statement is in positive form, so tag will be in negative and it is isn't she. Now come to question number C. It is change this statement to question using the correct tag. Here we have to write the correct tag according to the question. The first question is we are not bored of learning grammar. Here the sentence is in negative, so tag is are we is the correct tag for this sentence. Number 2, they had organized a surprise birthday party. Here the statement is positive, so tag will be negative. Hadn't they is the correct tag. Question number 3, a PhD is given only to scholar. Here it is in positive form, so the tag is isn't it. The tag will be in negative and it is isn't it. In question number 5, she isn't quitting the karate classes. Here statement is negative, so it is she is a correct tag for this sentence. In question number 5, Raina does not travel by bus daily. Here does not is given, so tag will be does he. In question number 6, this story teaches us a moral. Does it? Doesn't it? Sorry, it is doesn't it. It is doesn't it because our statement is in positive, so tag will be in negative and it will be doesn't it. Now question number 7, Achal will not sing a party today. Here statement is in positive form, so the tag will be in negative, that is was she. Number 8, Graham Bell invented the telephone. So here it is in positive form and it is past tense. There is no helping verb, so when we form the tag it will be didn't he is the correct tag for this sentence. Now question number 9, the peon rang the bell. Here also helping verb is not given and the verb is in second form, that is past form, so it become didn't he. And the last one is we haven't revised the lesson. In this case the sentence is in negative form, so our tag will be in positive and it is have we. In this way we have done all the exercise of this chapter. I hope you have understood. Thank you.